Hey, Monique Daniels here. I am out and about taking my walk, and I just wanted to share with you guys one of the homemade hand sanitizers that I have. Get hit by cars. But anyways, when I'm out and about like this and I don't have my gloves on, I tend to bring hand sanitizer with me if I need to. You know what I mean? Because I just kind of just walk out the building and walk up and down the hill and walk around. So when necessary, I do bring my sanitizer with me. I have a pocket sanitizer that I bring with me. But I wanted to show you guys that because I know a lot of people, they don't have access to sanitizers like I do. So, and that's only because I make them at home. So I have plenty. But yeah, I made a new one, and it's a frankincense one. It's a gel form, and it has more than 60% of alcohol in it. So it will kill any germs, bacteria, all that good stuff. It will kill all that off your skin, off your hands. And we certainly need that now. So, oh my goodness, I think everybody's getting ready to come home from work now. Traffic coming through. But yeah, it's a quick drying formula. It's moisturizing. It's not going to dry your hands out. I know a lot of people have that problem with sanitizers. It's not going to dry your hands out. It's really good. And we are restocked on our big cartel shop. Okay, so go over there, check it out. Get some for yourself, get some for your family, your friends, or if you already have some and you know people that need sanitizers, they work at certain places or whatever, and they don't have access to it, you know, go ahead and share the link with them and, you know, help people to protect themselves in this day and time. It's about to rain out here. It's getting cloudy. Woo, this hill ain't no joke, y'all. Oh my goodness. Jeez. But anyways, show a sister some love and like and subscribe to my channel. And I thank everybody for the support for our business and on my YouTube channel. And with that being said, I wish everybody a blessed and a safe day. And I'm gonna get it in. All right. Bye bye now.